Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Traders, we are going into a new week starting 12th of May to 16th of May 2025. And the major economic events will be the consumer price index on Tuesday, 13th of May. This will bring volatility in the market. Volatility means risk means opportunity. And then on Thursday, we'll be having FED chair Powell's speech. This is important. These are the two major economic events in this week: consumer price index and FED speech. The key points for the week is the near-term outlook of gold is impacted by a strong USD. You need to keep this thing in your mind that the USD is strong, and FED caution as the gold price slips below 33.50. So as long as the market is below 33.50, we are expecting a bearish move. Gold's upward movement is hindered by Powell uncertainty on policy while the FED kept rates steady. The demand for safe haven currencies is easing due to Trump's UK trade deal. So as per the key points, the gold market is in a bearish trend as long as it is holding below 33.50 levels. If we see the USD index, higher low, another higher low over here, and then a higher high. And this was the area where the buyers jumped in at 100.072. Overall trend of the market is bullish. You can see overall trend of the market is bullish on DXY. This is the upper trend line of the bullish channel, the red line, the lower line, and then these blue lines is the midterm trend. So the gold market is in a buy trend, and this is what we are expecting: an upward move, a correction, and then an upward move. And on the Forex spot gold market, this is the game plan. The red line is the trend channel, it's bearish, and then we got a retracement on Friday over here. This was a great shorting opportunity at 33.50 levels. If you see the market is constantly making lower highs over here, and this was the lower low, and it all started from here at 34.30 levels. The market is in a bearish trend. You can clearly see the trend. It's in a bearish trend. We have no interest in buying this market. This was a great shorting opportunity over here at 33.50 levels. This is what we are expecting: 33.18, and then a retracement, and then a downward move. And if you see the USD, this is in the upward trend. So in correlation with the USD, the gold market is poised to go bearish, to go down. We are not the buyers of this market. The gold market made a clear rejection on Friday at this level, 33.50. So this is the game plan for the coming week. So let's see what trading opportunities we get and how we're gonna capitalize on our profits. Stay managed and disciplined, and good luck with your trades.